Good afternoon, everyone. In this video, you will learn how to export your contacts from your cell phone to your email address to be printed or saved, and how to import those same contacts to another Android cell phone without all of the inconveniences and time wasting of writing out those contacts and entering them into your new phone. And we will do so with an app called C2X, or Contacts to Excel and Email. Now let's get started. After you have selected the C2X app, you will be directed to this page. On this page, if you notice at the top where it is underlined with a green line, you have the export option, and down below you should enter your email address. And once you've done that and you click on export, it will ask you to confirm your email address. Once you've confirmed that your email address is correct, then press OK. If it's not correct, then press cancel and go through the process once again. Once you have completed the process correctly and select OK, you will then be led to this page where you will see that it is reading your contacts. In my case, I have 112 contacts in my phone, and it's not going to stop until it completes the reading of them all. After the app has read all of the contacts, you will get this success notification saying, "Success, your contacts have been emailed to whatever email address you've entered." It will then inform you that you should check your spam or junk folder in your email account if you do not find the email in your main inbox. You will then be asked for your feedback, asking whether you like or dislike using the app. Go ahead and make your decision. Now for the import feature. You will have to pay $2.99 from whichever bank account or bank card you have associated with your cell phone and is notified your payment is successful. A notification will show that your import feature has been unlocked. Now from here, to import the contacts back into your phone, you will need to scan a QR code as stated in the yellow selection box on the screen. You can scan this QR code from a printout that you have extracted from the email sent to your email address earlier. Note that when printing the contact list, it must be in a landscape format to not lose parts of the information. You can also scan the QR code from the email sent earlier, directly from the screen of a computer or the screen of another device of your choice. Again, this QR code is supposed to be in your email account on the email sent earlier. You will then be told how much contacts you have in your contact list on your phone, and you will be asked if you would like to delete these contacts before the contact list from your email address or the list you have on paper can be imported. In my case, I've selected yes. If you find this information informative, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and tap the bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And as always, love, laugh, and live. Peace.